Hi everybody, welcome back. So we are going to do a multi-canvas swipe today. We are going to use these, we have three 10 by 20s. This was a painting that I did a long time ago. It was an ocean beach that didn't work. And so I just kind of tilted everything off the canvas and let it dry. That was quite a few months ago. So we are going to go ahead and use this again. But we are going to do a multi-canvas swipe across all three. So we are going to start at the top and go to the bottom. Our colors today are DecoArt Americana Outdoor Living Turquoise Sky. We've got Poolside, Primary Blue, Sapphire Extreme Sheen, Ocean Breeze from Craftsmart, and the DecoArt Medium Fluid Acrylics Cobalt Teal Hue. So those are our colors, and our swipe color is going to be our Flow Acrylic White. It is a 3-to-1 mixture ratio with my pouring medium recipe, and we are going to put silicone, the Color Pour Cell Magic silicone, in the white only. And that's going to be our swipe color. So we are going to put in 6 drops. We did 7 drops, one more for good measure. And we are going to mix that up just a little bit. Okay. Now we are going to go ahead and get these cups moved out of the way, get the canvas pulled down. I'm going to be working from this side today because I need to be able to swipe, and we are going to be using a wet paper towel to do our swipe. I might have to lean in a couple of times in the frame, and I apologize in advance for that, but not much I can do about it right now. Okay, we are all set up, and if you can see these little strings over here on the sides, all I did was the pins that are underneath were just giant push pins. I just kind of did a light tying of them together, so whenever we do the swipe, the canvases stay together, but they're going to be easy to snip, so whenever we need to pull them apart. Okay, we are going to go ahead and get started. Okay, we are all done. This was part 2 of the 2-part series. Once this is dried, we will come back and decide if we are going to put a vinyl on it or if we are just going to seal it and leave it just like this. I will probably leave this laying right here today so that everything dries this way and nothing shifts. Thank y'all very much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section and I'll do my best to get back to you. And let me bring you down for a closer look. Alrighty, thank y'all very much for watching part 1. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. I had some ideas about putting a vinyl on it, but we might just leave it as is. But we will decide when we come back for part 2. Alrighty, down in the description you'll find all of the colors used as well as the link to my pouring medium recipe video. And you'll also find links to my Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, as well as my website, guidedbyfaithdesigns.net. Alrighty, thank y'all. See you in part 2. God bless. Hi and welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that video. We are going to start having a drawing every month for a $50 gift card. Sorry, he completely threw me off. We are going to start having a drawing every month for a $50 gift card to my website, guidedbyfaithdesigns.net. How do you enter? It's simple. Anybody who sponsors my channel with $5 or more, or anybody who makes a purchase on my website will be entered into the drawing. All of the drawings will be held at the first of the month for the previous month's entries, and the results will be posted on my Facebook page. All of the links that you need are in the description below. Yes, sir. I know. All of the links you need are in the description below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the little notification button so you can be notified when Kitty Toe and I bring you some new stuff. And also don't forget to go and follow me on all my social media accounts. I hope everybody has a wonderful and blessed day. Good luck in the drawing, and God bless.